Hi, I have exciting news to share with you. Spring is around the corner, and this means new birth, more sunshine, spring cleaning, and perhaps a new path for you going forward. Many of you may know this already, but we have been working on a project and it's up and running now just for you. Now, before I share this news with you, I have a question. And I'm also going to share a bonus with you at the end of the video. So I'd like you to stick with me. My question is, are you ready to make a positive change going forward? Some of you may be dealing with some chronic health issues or new health concerns, or maybe you are proactive and want to be preventative with your health going forward. A lot of us have amazing intentions, but then hit these roadblocks along the way. And there could be many reasons for this. Perhaps you don't know where to begin, where to start. You feel alone. It feels complicated. Maybe it's just too confusing. And maybe you have those good intentions, but it's hard to get motivated because you're not feeling that great to begin with. So my question for you is to take a moment and figure out your why. Why is it that you want to make a change right now? This why could be for your kids, could be for your grandkids, for if you want to go traveling for years to come and be able to sightsee and feel your best. It could be because you are feeling tired and not happy with the job that you're in and you want to make a positive change, but you don't have the energy or motivation to move forward. Or maybe it even has to do with your relationships, a connection with yourself or a partner or other loving relationships in your life. And you want to feel better. So the first step in figuring out and making a transformation, a lasting transformation, is figuring out your why. And then the second step is to have the support along the way to help with your motivation to keep you going and on track. And that's where we come in. So as many of you know, my life has been in the health and wellness industry. I would like to say that it started back with my international ice dancing skating career, where I had the opportunity and the experience of a team behind me that helped with motivation, helped with physical, emotional, and mental well-being. And then I ended up going into registered massage therapy and aesthetics, as well as teaching yoga, Pilates, meditations in person. After the pandemic, moved the business online and offering holistic wellness coaching as well as certified Qigong teaching. So I feel really grateful for this because I have a chance to share my knowledge and guidance with you and be with you to help you on your health and healing journey going forward. I personally have gone through ups and downs, challenges, changes, many of them. In a nutshell, I'm a single mom who's been through divorce. I've had health issues, injuries, career shifts. I've had grief. I've gone through grief as well as being a caregiver. I've gone through a lot as well as perimenopause and menopause. So this combination of things, I know life can be tough and it can be challenging. And sometimes we just need that person to be there to help us along the way. So, okay, I'm ready to share the news with you. Yoga First and Wellness is an online healing center, and we have developed a program with a membership that has 3 tiers to it. It is affordable, easy to use, and convenient so that you can do this any time of the day for your schedule. So it's not a deterrent against your journey going forward. All the tiers include an ever-growing library of recordings that has Qigong, chair classes, yoga, Pilates, meditation. Tier 2 has that full library plus specialized classes and workshop recordings, plus 2 Zoom live classes a week, plus email support And we also share a coupon code that you can use for savings towards any products. Tier 3 includes Tier 2's recording, so including that full library, plus the workshops and specialty classes, plus the live yoga, Qigong mix of classes for Zoom per week. And then also we have 2 live one-on-one coaching sessions per month, plus a savings that you can use as well for any products going forward. So how does that sound? Hopefully that's sparking your interest there. Now, the bonus that I was talking about is to help us grow, as this is a new program for us. When you get a family member, friend, sign up, any family members or friends every time that sign up for a Tier 2 or Tier 3 membership that's 2 months or longer, then you will receive a free month off of your membership. So, do you feel excited and ready to move forward and make that positive change? I am here to help you and inspire you and help motivate you, be that support. Sometimes that's all we need. We need that extra little support, and there's nothing wrong with reaching out and asking for help. It's actually a sign of strength. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out and ask away. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you taking the time. We have a link just under the video that you can click that goes right to our website and our membership. Love, light, and chi.